So we'll solve exercise 6.3, first one. In figure 6.39, the diagram is given. Sides QP and RP of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively. If angle SPR is equal to 135 and angle PQT is equal to 110, find angle PRQ. So let us first draw the figure. This is the figure. This is S, this is P, Q, R, and this is T. This angle is 110. This angle is 135. Now we have to find angle PRQ. We have to find out this angle. So here, to find out this angle, actually we need to know any one angle. Either this angle or this angle, then we can calculate this angle. So we have two options. Either we go for angle sum property of a triangle. So either we go with the angle sum property of a triangle, or else we can use exterior angle property. So what I will do, I will use exterior angle property. Solution. Angle SPR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree linear pair axiom. You have to write down the complete statement. So this way, angle SPR is already given, which is 135. Angle RPQ is equal to 180. So you will get angle RPQ is equal to 180 minus 135. You will get minus 135. So subtract it. What is the measure? You will get this as 45 degree. Clear? So you get angle RPQ as 45 degree. This is 45 degree we have got. Now our question is to find out this particular angle. If you observe it carefully, this angle, that is angle PQT, is exterior of this triangle, and we have learned that exterior angle is the sum of two remote interior angle. So I am going to use that property over here. We know angle PQT is exterior angle of triangle PQR. Therefore, by exterior angle property, what we can write? Angle PQT is equal to angle QPR plus angle PRQ. This angle plus this angle. This is already 110. What is the measure of QPR? This you have got it as 45, and this is PRQ. Therefore, angle PRQ 110 minus 45. And this will give you 110 minus 45 will give you 65. So angle PRQ is 65 degrees. I hope this first question is clear. So let's see 6.3, second question. In the figure 6.40, angle X is equal to 62 degree, angle XYZ is equal to 54 degrees. 62 degree, 54 degrees. And then it is given that if YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively. YO is a bisector of XYZ and ZO is bisector of XZY, which I have represented in the figure. You have to find the value of, or rather the measure of OZY. OZY, this measure, and angle YOZ. So these two things we need to find out. First of all this one and then this one. So let's start. So here in triangle XYZ, in triangle XYZ, I can write down angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z. You have to write it in a complete format. So what you will write down? You will write down everything. Angle Y, ZX, XZY. Okay, that is equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle. We write down this. Measure of X is given as 62 degree. Measure of Y is given as 54 degree. And measure of Z we need to find out. So with this, we can find out angle Z is equal to, measure angle Z is equal to 180 minus, see this is 62 plus 54. Okay, so you will add this and you will get this as 116. 116, and you will get the measure of Z. Measure of Z is going to be 64 degrees. So this complete measure we have got. Now our work is to find out OZY. ZO is bisector of angle XZY. Therefore, angle OZY is half of angle XZY, which will be half of 64, and this is nothing but 32 degrees. So you got OZY as 32 degrees. So we have got this measure. Now our work is to find out measure of this central angle. With this angle we have to find out. So for that, one angle we already know, which we got it as 32 degrees. This angle we know, this is 32 degrees. If we know this angle, then we can find out this one by angle sum property. So here you see that YO is bisector of XYZ. We can get the angle OYZ. Now YO is bisector of angle XYZ. Therefore, angle OYZ is equal to half of angle XYZ, which is half of 54. So this angle OYZ comes out to be 27. Half of 54 is 27. So we got the other measure also. Now in triangle, in which triangle? In triangle OZY. So I am writing here, in triangle OZY, not visible to you. Okay, I am writing it below. In triangle OZY. Okay, which angle? Angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ is equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle, it is equal to 180. Reason same, angle sum property of triangle. I am writing short form, you have to write down completely. One measure is already, you know. What is the measure? This is 27. What is the other measure? This is 32. And the remaining last one is what? It is YOZ. This is equal to 180. So just calculate it. So how much this is? This is 59. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59 degrees. And you will get angle YOZ is equal to 121 degrees. So here you have got the measure of angle YOZ as 121 degrees. So this way you can solve the second one. Next is exercise 6.3, third one. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. I have represented that. Angle BAC is equal to 35 degrees and angle CDE is 53 degrees. You have to find out angle DCE. So you need to find out this particular angle. How to find out that angle? If you see, these two lines are parallel. That means angle ABC, or rather ABE and AED are alternate angles or alternate interior angles. That means the measure is same. So this way you can get the measure of this angle as 35 and then apply angle sum property and you'll get the remaining angle. So let us do that. AB is parallel to DE. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to angle CED, alternate angle property. Therefore, angle CED will measure 35 degrees. Okay, now I'll write it here. Now, in triangle DEC, angle CDE plus angle CED plus angle DCE is equal to 180. Reason? Angle sum property of triangle. CDE, this is 53 degrees. Then which measure? This is plus sign. CED, just now you have calculated it is 35 and DCE is equal to 180. You can see this is what? 88 degree plus angle DCE is equal to 180. It means angle DCE is 180 minus 88. So what is the measure of it? 180 minus 88. So it will give you 92 degrees. Angle DCE. Now let us discuss exercise 6.3, question number 4. In the given figure, if lines PQ and RS intersect at T such that angle PRT is 40 degree, angle RPT is 95 degree and angle TQS is equal to 75 degree, you have to find out the value of angle SQT. This could be found if we know the measure of this angle, because then we can apply angle sum property. Here these two angles are given. First we are going to find out angle PTR. We'll find it by angle sum property. If you see it carefully, angle PTR is vertically opposite to STQ. So whatever the measure of this angle, same will be the measure of this angle. Once we get this given angle, then we can apply angle sum property and we can find out angle SQT. So let us start. So we'll write down solution. In triangle PRT. Okay, angle PRT plus angle RTP plus angle RPT is equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle PRT, this is 40 degree. This is, we need to find out. Angle RPT, this is 95 degree and 180. Yeah. So what do we get? We get angle RTP is equal to 180 minus addition of this is, which is 135. It will give me RTP as 45 degrees. Now, as we said, RTP is equal to STQ, reason vertically opposite angle. Hence, angle STQ is also 45 degree. Because its measure is 45 degree, if you want, I can write down this A and this I will write down from A. Now next thing is to find out angle SQT in triangle SQT. Angle STQ plus angle TSQ plus angle TQS is equal to 180. Again the reason is same. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Now what are we going to do? We are just going to put the value STQ. Just now we have calculated, it is 45 degree. TQS we need to find out. TSQ is given. TSQ is 75. So I'll write down 75 degrees. Angle TQS I need to find out. So this means 75 plus 45. This will give you 120. And once we'll calculate angle TQS is equal to 180 minus 120. This will give you 60 degree. Hence, angle TSQ is 60 degrees. Please write it down. Yes, now the next one, exercise 6.3, question number 5. In figure 6.43, if PQ is perpendicular to PS, PQ is perpendicular to PS given, and PQ is parallel to SR. Now PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR 28 and angle QRT 65 degrees. Then you have to find the value of X and Y. This you have to do. So here, important information is given that the two lines are parallel. Here see it carefully. Suppose if I label this angle as Z. So I will write down, let angle QSR is equal to Z. I have taken. So you can see this angle Z is equal to angle X because they are alternate angles. Correct? So we can, if we get the measure of this angle, same is the measure of X. Then we can have angle sum property and get the value of Y. Or else you can apply that this angle plus this angle, okay, is 180 because interior angle on the same side of transversal. This way also you can find out. So let us start. Now how to get angle Z? QRT is exterior to this triangle QSR. That means angle QRT is the addition of this particular angle and this particular angle. So we are going to write down that. So here angle QRT is exterior angle of triangle QRS. Therefore, angle QRT is equal to angle RQS plus angle QSR. Reason, exterior angle property. So you will write down the reason as exterior angle property. So here we will get this measure QRT, that is 65 degrees, is equal to RQS, which is 28 degrees, plus angle QSR. This will give you QSR is equal to 65 minus 28. 65 minus 28 will give you 37. So angle QSR is 37. Now, okay, which is your angle Z, I have taken it. Now, angle QSR is equal to angle PQS. Reason, PQ is parallel to SR and the reason is alternate angle property. That is why they are congruent. Therefore, angle PQS is equal to 37. That is, x is equal to 37 degrees you have shown. Okay, यहाँ पे आपने दिखा दिया था z. If I want, I can write down this as z is equal to this. Now what is remaining? Yes, angle y. In triangle PQS, angle QPS plus angle PSQ plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. QPS 90 given. PSQ we need to find out. PQS अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया 37. So 90 plus 37 is 127 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 127. So 180 minus 127 will give you 53 degrees. So angle y is 53. Okay. So you got angle x as 37 and y as 53. Now exercise 6.3 is last question, question number 6. It is very important. So in the given figure, side QR of triangle PQR is produced to point S. If the bisectors of PQR and PRS, these are the bisector. If it intersects at T, then you have to prove that angle QTR is half of angle QPR. So this we have to prove. Let us start the proof. So here if you see, this is an exterior angle. So here two triangles are there, PQR and TQR. So we have to take exterior angles of both the triangles. In triangle PQR, I can write PRS is equal to QPR plus angle QPR plus angle PQR. Reason, exterior angle property. Now here, if I take half of it, okay, dividing throughout by 2. If I divide throughout by 2, what I will get? Half of angle PRS is equal to half of angle QPR is equal to half of angle PQR. All are half of. Now carefully observe. PRS, half of PRS. Okay, PRS, half is this angle. Or I can take it as this angle also. And I want, so I am just keeping it right now like this only. Half of QPR. PR. This I want to prove, so I'll keep it like this. ये तो मुझे चाहिए, so I will keep it like this. Half of angle PQR. PQR halves is this. So I can write down that half of angle, I'll just write down this term over here. Okay, half of angle QPR, I'm transposing this term on this side, is equal to half of PRS minus half of PQR. Now half of this angle, I will keep it as it is because this I want in my proof. Half of PRS, PRS, देखो PRS का half क्या है? You can write down either PRT or you can write down TRS. So I will write down it as TRS minus half of PQR. PQR's half I can write down TQR. Angle TQR. Reason. What is the reason? Angle TRS is equal to angle RPRT. They both are half of angle PRS. Also, angle PQT is equal to TQR is half of angle PQR because it is given that QT and RT are angle bisectors. So I am writing this. Now I am keeping it as it is because I will be requiring it in the next step. I am labeling this as point 1 or the step 1, first step. Now what I will do? I will go for another one. In triangle QTR, angle TRS, see angle TRS, it is equal to which angle? Angle TQR plus angle QTR. Exterior angle property, exterior angle property. Now which angle is required in my proof? I want this one. So I will transpose this to the other side. I am doing that. So angle QTR can be written as TRS minus angle TQR. Now observe this one and this equation. If you see, the right hand side has having half of TRS minus TQR, and this is also having TRS minus TQR. So we can write down from 1 and 2, I can write down that angle, which one? QTR. This angle is half of angle QPR, and hence it is proved. This is very important proof. Many a times this question is asked in the exam. You have to remember that you have to use 2 times exterior angle property. So this logic you have to understand very, very properly.